Long gone are the days where you can just open up a random Etsy shop that sells funny t-shirts and expect to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single month. Now, when it comes to being a print-on-demand seller, there is still tons of money to be made, but you have to be very strategic with the kind of Etsy shop you are going to set up. You have to think about things like competition, what people are actually looking for, how much profit you can make per item. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my top ideas for 2025 for Etsy shops that wouldn't be too saturated, that you would actually be able to make a lot of profit in as a print-on-demand seller. Now, I partner today with Printify, who is my manufacturing partner that prints, packs, ships all of the items that I sell on Etsy. So I'm going to be sharing with you all of the products that I would put into one of these shop ideas. So not only am I going to tell you what niches would be a good idea, but I'm going to tell you exactly what types of products would be really good to fill your shops with, because not every item is created equal and not every store just needs to be a store full of t-shirts. There's so many other ideas out there and so many other ways to make a ton of profit in this business model. So let's not waste any more time and just jump right into it. Now, the very first Etsy shop idea that you could make so much profit in as a print-on-demand seller is having a kids-themed party shop. So what I mean by this is making a shop that is completely dedicated to children's birthdays based on a very, very specific theme. Now, what you are not going to do is just make a bunch of shirts and hats and cups that all say something like happy birthday or I'm 3, I'm 4. Those are just way too generic. Where the real money is going to be is in these extreme hyper niched themes. So for example, you could make an entire section of your shop just based on like a 70s style birthday party for a 2-year-old, something like too groovy, too cute. And all within that section, you could have everything from t-shirts for mom and dad, for the birthday girl, kids outfits. You could have hats as party favors, cups, all based around that theme. And then you could have another section that was maybe for a 4-year-old truck themed birthday party. So again, you could have all sorts of apparel items for mom and dad, for the kids, for guests that are based around that exact theme, as well as things like favors. So mugs make great favors, cups, toys, stuffed animals, hats, all of those kind of things. If you didn't know, you actually can sell those in print on demand. So you are just going to be dividing your shop up into sections based on the very specific party theme. So like I said, the more specific you can get, the better, because the way you're going to get found is when someone searches something like mermaid birthday party for 6-year-old. So that's going to take you exactly to your shop where you have that exact theme within your whole Etsy shop. Now, some of the items that I definitely like the best for this are going to be just a standard t-shirt like a Bella and Canvas 3001. These are going to be really good for those on-themed shirts. So like, for example, when I talked about a 2-year-old groovy birthday, you could have shirts for the 2-year-old, you could have onesies that said something like too groovy, and then you could have shirts that correspond with it, like one groovy mom, one groovy dad, or like I'm the groovy auntie. So everyone that is involved in this party could have some kind of apparel item that they want to purchase. Now, along with that, I really love their trucker hats that they have on Printify. So that could be a great item to add to each one of these birthday themes, as well as I love things like the straw tumblers, their mugs. Those are all really, really fantastic things to add to a theme like this. And if you didn't know, Printify has tons and tons of kids apparel items. So I highly recommend, if you're going to do something like a kids birthday shop, taking a look at all of the items they have specifically geared towards children. Now, if you're feeling even more ambitious, you could include in a shop like this different downloadables or printables that correspond with these themes. So if you wanted to design things like invitation printables or party favor printables or game printables that all go along with the one theme, you could totally do that and include that within this type of shop. Now, the next shop idea is something that you probably have not thought to do before, because on its surface, it seems like it's really limited and you wouldn't be able to make money throughout the year. But that is not the case. This can be one of the most profitable kinds of shops, and that is setting up a shop in Etsy that only sells Christmas items. Now, Now, for a Christmas shop, you probably are going to make the bulk of your profit in the last 4 months of the year. But because it is so profitable at the very end of the year, you can literally spend the entire year prepping for those last 4 months, and then it's just a marathon to the end of the year. So a lot of times print-on-demand sellers that only sell these types of holiday items, they make enough profit just in those few months to cover all of the rest of the months where they're not really making a ton of sales. Now, again, with a shop like this, you're not going to just make things that are like generic Merry Christmas items, stuff with Santa on them. There is just way too much out there. You're not going to be able to compete. So you want to take a very niche down, more specific approach with something like this. I highly recommend for a Christmas shop to, again, think about the specific niches you can sell to. So what are people's careers? Would a dentist like shirts that are themed around dentistry and Christmas? What about a nurse? Maybe she would like a Christmas themed mug that has to do with nursing as well. So within this Christmas shop, you can have really specific sections that all have to do with different niches that are even more specific than just the general Christmas niche. I really love to cross holidays with things like careers, hobbies, people's pets, people's family relationships, their occupations, things like that. And I actually have a full guide and workshop about exactly how to do this kind of cross niching that I'm talking about here. So I will link that down below if you've never tried it out. But Printify really does have a ton of different items that would be perfect for a Christmas specific shop. So again, you're going to have just your regular t-shirts that you can sell always with all sorts of different Christmas plus something else niches, but they also have a ton of different ceramic ornaments that are really, really low cost and sell very well around this time of year. They're again great for making hyper niche down Christmas items. They also have things like stockings, they have Christmas wrap, they have bags for putting presents inside, they have Christmas pajamas, all sorts of different holiday things you can find on Printify. And I think this is a fabulous niche for making a ton of profit, especially towards the end of the year. So especially if you're a Christmas lover, this could be a perfect shop idea for you. Now, this next shop idea is based around only one item. So with a lot of these other shop ideas, I've talked about a bunch of different products you could put to sell in that specific niche, but this shop is actually just based around one product, and that is glass cups with lids and straws. Now, this is a really, really popular item. It's gotten very trendy in the last couple of years, and some people love to have tons of these different cups, all themed around different things. So in this shop, you can have all sorts of different designs and niches on these glass cups, and you can even offer things like personalization. So the first place I would start with these glass cups is making tons of different designs based around all sorts of different holidays. So Halloween is a really big one. You could make very cute Halloween inspired designs. Christmas is a great niche as well, but again, you can go very hyper specific. So you can make something for like a pediatric cardiologist and have a glass cup specifically for them. Or you could again have a section of your shop that is based around birthdays, and you can make birthday themed glass cups. But I think this product is strong enough and trendy enough that you can make an entire shop just based around glass cups, as long as you have niches that aren't super generic. But since this product is a little bit less saturated than something like a t-shirt, you probably can compete in a little bit more saturated niches than you could if you were just selling like a generic t-shirt or a generic mug. So sometimes pairing one thing that's a little bit more specific with something that's a little bit more broad is how you are going to make sales. So it can either be in the niche that you're selling in, or sometimes if you're selling a more uncommon product, you can sell a little bit broader niches. Now, the next print-on-demand shop that will do very, very well in 2025 and continue to do well for years in the future, because this is not going anywhere, is a bachelorette specific print-on-demand shop. Now, there are all sorts of wedding shops out there, and there are lots of people that sell bachelorette items, but where you can really shine is being very, very specific, kind of like what I talked about with all of these. So in this shop, you can sell things like t-shirts, you can sell bachelorette favors, like even those glass cups, like mugs, like trucker hats matching for people. You can sell jewelry. Print-on-demand has expanded to even the world of jewelry. They have some of that on Printify as well. But where the real money is like I said, getting very specific. So one of the ways that I like to do this with bachelorette items is thinking about the places that are very commonly visited for bachelorette trips. So places like Nashville or Miami or any of those really popular destinations. So what you can do is, instead of just making a generic generic like bachelorette and bride shirt. You could do something like Ready for the Rodeo, Nashville Bachelorette 2025, and have all of your shop sections based around different really popular bachelorette destinations. Or another way you could do this instead of going the destination route is a themed bachelorette. So like one I just mentioned that would work great for Nashville, but just honestly anywhere, is like a Western rodeo themed bachelorette group. So you could have all sorts of really fun Western inspired both favors and apparel items, or even something like an under the sea theme for bachelorettes. People are getting very, very creative with their bachelorette parties and their bachelorette trips. So anything we can do to really play into that theme and give ourselves less competition is going to be a great way to make money in this print on demand niche. Now, the fabulous thing about the bachelorette niche that I personally love whenever I sell items around weddings is that typically you are not just going to get one sale when you sell something like a shirt or a cup. You're going to get between 4 to like 12 or 15 items sold every time you make a sale, because if someone is buying for an entire bachelorette group, they're not just going to buy one shirt, they're going to buy items for everybody. So a lot of times each sale is a really, really high profit amount. So that is something really good to keep in mind when you are selling in the wedding or bachelorette niche. Now, the next print on demand shop that can be so profitable in 2025 is based around something that has been around forever, but it has gotten even more popular the last few years, and that is making some kind of bookish themed print on demand shop. So more and more people are reading for fun, and more people are trying to show off that they are reading. So items inspired by love of reading, of books, are doing really, really well on places like Etsy. So you could make an entire shop just themed around this. Now you have your items like just a book tote that you could make with really fun designs and quotes all about reading, but you could also do things like t-shirts all about reading. You could do tumblers inspired by the love of reading, and you could get even more creative with kind of out of the box items like a print on demand candle. So you could make it kind of themed around the scents of different worlds, so or like different book genres. So like this is for a romance readers. This is a romance readers candle, and then this one is a fantasy readers candle, or this smells like adventure, or this smells like a good book or a bookstore. So Printify has candles that you can actually sell as print on demand sellers. So this is a great item to add to that. Now, again, with any of these, the more specific you can get in that bookish niche, probably the better you are going to do. So instead of just taking the really high level niche of reading, you could get more specific and talk about those who read romance, or fantasy readers, or readers who love like certain holidays. So again, you can cross things like Halloween or Christmas with kind of that book lovers niche. So you could do all sorts of items at Christmas time, like Christmas trees made out of books, or like all I want for Christmas is books. Santa, please give me books in my stocking. So any of those are a great niche, and they all kind of fall under the umbrella of this like book lovers Etsy store. Now, any of these would be fabulous shop ideas for 2025. And if you want even more ideas of some great shops that you could think about opening, I highly recommend watching this video next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.